guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a Boxycharm try-on, and this is for the month of December, and this is going to be the premium box that you pay, I believe it's $35 for, and I believe you get at least $200 worth of products in that box. Well, this month's theme is whimsy. I think that's the way you say it, and my box variation is 33. So I'm going to be showing you guys everything that I got. First thing I got in my box is the Hidden Treasures palette by Dose of Colors, which looks like this. This retails for $50. And you get 10 eyeshadows in this palette. A mirror, and you get all your eyeshadows. These are the shades right here. Very pretty colors, very fall vibey colors. Did like it. I love the look that I came up with and that I did. They blended out very good. The glitters that I used, which was the shade Ruby, was a little bit hard. I didn't have to wet it. I didn't have to do anything to it. I just had to like pack it on just a little bit more. And that's the red that I got. But overall, I do like it. And this is such a pretty palette for fall. The next thing that I got, which I was like so excited to use when I opened the box, was the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Pink Juice Moisturizer, which looks like this. This retails for $39. And oh my god, guys, this smells like watermelon. It smells so good. It smells so good. It just smells like watermelon. It does come with a pump, and this is for oily to combination skin according to the box. I hear a lot of people talking about Glow Recipe. A lot of people love their other one that's like in the jar. So I'm so happy to try something from them because I believe it is Korean beauty, if I'm not mistaken. I think. But this smells so good. I'm going to keep using this. That I got was the Natasha Denona lip liner pencil in the shade L13 Orange, which looks like this. And this retails for $18. It's this orange shade that's right here. You know what you're going to get in Boxycharm. So for me to get an orange lip liner was kind of hard for me to incorporate it into the look. But I put it on my lips. You can kind of see it kind of mixed in with the darker brown that I tried putting. I tried doing like an ombre type of lip. I don't know how like successful it was. I think it looks okay. I might need to like darken up here, like with a darker one, and maybe it will go a little bit better, but I think I did okay to try to incorporate this in there because I tried to incorporate everything that I used or everything that I got in this video. But this is a pretty lip liner. It is a little bit rough on your hand when you try swatching it, so just be aware that if you do get this or if you do get it in your box. But I would definitely recommend a different shade. But if you're gonna be like out there outgoing like this, like orange, then by all means, try that. The next thing that I got was the Advent. This is the Deluxe Hyaluronic Acid Vivifying Face and Eye Night Cream. Looks like this. This retails, guys, for $134. This little thing right here retails for $134. Like, how? It must be like, it must work wonders or something, because for this to retail $134, this must work like awesome. Obviously I did not use it in today's video because it is a night and face eye cream. But I will start using this, adding this to my skincare routine, but I will definitely be trying this out and see if it is worth $134. The next thing that I got was the Basic Beauty Glowy AF Wet Glow Trio. Looks like this. And this retails for $30. It does come with a mirror. These are the shades that you get, and I use today, which is called Fiji. It is so pretty. Like, I don't know if you guys can see it. It's like a subtle like purple glow, and they're pretty. They're so pretty. Let me just go ahead and swatch them all for you guys so you guys can see them. So this one is called No Spray Tans. This one is called Fiji, which is the one that I'm wearing. And this one's called Barbie Dream House, which is the pink one. But that is how they are, and they are dramatic. You don't have to wet them. You don't have to like nothing. They are glowy AF, and it does give you like that wet glow look. I like this palette. I really do. The last thing that I got, by Beauty Agave Plus Nighttime Lip Therapy, which looks like this, and this retails for $22. This is like a night sleeping mask. Super cute. It comes like with a little spatula, and then, so like if you have long nails like me, which I need fills, you can scoop it out, and this is what it looks like. I did use it today, and honestly, this is so moisturizing. Like my lips still feel moisturized under these two lip liners. Like my lips don't feel dry. They don't feel anything. Like if I have lip liner on, like they feel really moisturized, and I was only wearing it for the period of time that I did my face. So to sleep with this, I would think that your lips would be super moist and nice when you wake up in the morning. So I'm gonna try this tonight and see how well I like it. But for everything that I got in my box, it retailed for $293, which I think is such a good deal. I got a lot of things that I liked that I was able to use. I ended up coming up with this look that I'm actually really liking right now. I am super excited about this month's box. I liked it a lot. The only thing that I'm kind of like about is my lip combo, but I tried to incorporate the orange lip liner as much as I could because I knew I was going to have a hard time. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to click the little bell so you guys will be notified the next time I upload. And if you guys want to go ahead and see this, how I got this look, then please keep on watching.